guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are all doing well. I am going to be working on my third Mini Kit Monday layout. This layout, I saw it in Pinterest the other day, and I cannot find it anymore as usual. But I think I still remember what it looks like. I am planning to use this butterfly stickers here and the flowers. Not sure what colors I'm going to use, so I brought these two out, the pink and the white. I plan to use a sticker here, choose happy. I'm going to use this as my title. I have 3 photos here that were taken at the flower field in Carlsbad, and I'm going to cut this down to 3x4s. And from our kit, I'm going to use 4 papers. So I'm going to use this paper here, this paper here, this paper here, and I'm planning to use this paper as the base. So without further ado, let's start playing. So we're going to cut these pictures down to 3x4. I am going to map these pictures on this paper here. So 3x4, so let's do a 4.5. And then let's put the pictures on first, and then we'll decide what to do and how to cut this paper down. So this paper here, we cut it down to 4.5 by 9.5. So I'm gonna put this on the side for now. So this paper, I'm going to cut out 2 inches from it because I just want a 10-inch paper on this lengthwise. So now this is 10 by 12. What I'm going to do now is from this point at the bottom here, I'm going to cut this to 4 inches. Let's play with it. So let's take 4 inches off of this. So let's do 4 inches on this. Let's use our mat for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll mark it over here. And so what I'm going to do is take this ruler here, and hopefully it'll reach the 4 inches over there. Let's see if it works. I'm just putting a very faint line, if you notice. Sorry you can't see it right now, and I'll make it darker here in a few minutes. See if it works. I'm gonna take this line, and then on this side I'm just gonna cut it through. Hopefully it works. Start it off from the top here, and then I'll push this on the way to the top here, and I'll just follow the line. Okay. Whew. All right, so we have the sliver here, and this is our leftover here. And let me just take out all the markings here from the pencil. Bring back our base paper here. Put it up here. So what I'm going to do now is leave 1 inch down here and 1 inch up there, because again, this is still 10 inches. So using my mat, I will line it up that way. Okay, so let's take our glue and we'll just align it again with our mat. So 1 inch up here and 1 inch down here at the bottom. Just center it the best you can. And there you go. Now I'm going to take this picture and put it over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this paper here, this excess paper here, and cut it into about 4 inches. And then I'm gonna cut this straight through so that the flowers on the top are showing. So I'm going to use this as an embellishment up here, and I'll put this up here because this is, after all, a flower field. Right there. I'll put it up there. Let's stack this down here. I'll put the glue down here because I want to show the flower stems on top here. It's gonna be off-centered a bit. Right there. There you go. Then we're gonna go ahead and tack this down. Put it up here, center from edge to edge. And then we will operate we will operate on our butterflies here. I'm going to operate on my butterflies here and just take some butterflies here and just go around the flowers, just cutting around just to get my butterflies right there. First butterfly goes here. I'm gonna operate again and get actually 3 butterflies. Okay, let's see how this works, guys. So there's 1 butterfly over there, and I'll put another butterfly over here and 1 more butterfly here at the bottom. So I have 3 butterflies here, and then what I'm going to do is use the dark the fuchsia pink here. I'm sorry for the shadows, guys. I happen to be scrapbooking now in the night, so I'm gonna do an operation again here. And what I'm going to do is I cut that out. I'm going to put our 3 butterflies up there. There you go. And then I want 3 butterflies here, and I'm going to use this fuchsia butterflies down here at the bottom. So I'm operating on the butterflies again, cutting around. So that's 1. Okay, let's start with this one. I'll find the one that put that in the middle right here. Oh my gosh, I hope they don't blend. Kind of blends, but putting this off here. And then this one goes right there. Okay, it's blending a bit. And then we're bringing out our title. Okay, for our title, I'm going to put it up here, but I'm going to also put some wet glue. Here's my third Minikit Monday layout, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this together. It's very simple as usual. Watch out for my fourth layout coming up on Thursday. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.